Welcome back to Classy Bonsai. It's time for another kiln unloading video. This is our second glaze firing. Tried some new glaze combinations, so we're going to check them out. Alright, let's open it up. Okay, that's the magma on top there. Doesn't look like it fired hot enough maybe to do its magma stuff. These are still pretty warm. As soon as at 130 degrees, I guess that is pretty hot. Okay, here we go. Let's start taking them out. Alright, let's start taking them out. Start with the magma. Well, that is pretty warm. So on this side it did its magma stuff. On the other side it's not too much. Wonder if I didn't fire it enough, or if I didn't put it on thick enough. I don't know. I bet that clay would have looked good with nothing on it. Doesn't look like it worked too much. My first real big pot. Basically a black pot. That might get refired one day. These are hot. These are still hot. Alright. Use some gloves to get the shelves out. The old hot hands. Well, this one I had to repair a leg. It fell off during the disc firing, but it turned out pretty awesome. Lighting in here is not great, but that is a cool looking pot. Not sure what that glaze combo was. I have to go out here in the sunlight and show you these in a minute. Pretty cool. That's beautiful. That is freaking beautiful. Oh, this one. Really looking forward to seeing. I know this one had a lot of crazy colors on it, and I put some magma on the outside edges to make it look. I put some magma on the outside edges to make it look a little wild and crazy, with red in the middle. It definitely looks wild and crazy. Whoa. That is bananas. Alright, that shelf had some big stuff this time, so there wasn't as many pots on each shelf. That was hot. I don't know why I took the glove off to do that. Let's see these refires. I'm putting a glove on. These suckers are hot. Oh, so that's much better. I refired the Aurora greens over brick red because I didn't like that polka dot pattern it gave, and I might even put a little midnight. I did put a little midnight rain in the middle. That's pretty sick. That's pretty sick. Let's see the other one that I refired. Oh yeah, that one's pretty sick too. So this was Aurora green over brick red, and then I put Aurora green and a layer of midnight rain in the middle here. thickly over it again and fired it at a higher spot in the kiln. I watched John the Potter, and he was talking about different spots in the kiln get a different effect. So I put it right in the middle. That's much better. They are so hot. Alright. Next, this was Wyatt's. Yeah, that's pretty sick. That was, I believe, root beer with Celadon Sky over the top. No, frosted lemon. Root beer with frosted lemon over the top. Pretty rad. Look at those colors in there. I don't know if that's coming through. We'll do it in the sun. You'll see them. Wyatt's other one. This was the root beer with Celadon Sky. He put the Celadon down here. Root beer and then Celadon over everything. That's a beautiful color. Turned out great. This one, I don't remember what it was. Combo anyways. Got some pinholing and glaze. Really pretty. Say it's some kind of root beer, Aurora Green. Something else maybe. Really cool looking. Really sick. This one I've been looking forward to. Oh, look at that. Just because it's a super cool pop, but I used the rusted iron on here. Oh man, look at those effects. I hope they're coming through in the camera. I doubt that they are. We'll get out in the sun and have a look at this beauty. Oh man. Oh man. That's exciting. I like that one. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Other glove. Now there's a bunch of pots on this bottom level. That's where I put all the little ones. Oh, I see some sick ones. Got a refire down here. A couple of refires. Start with a refire. So, refired this one because it had some spots where the glaze didn't show up last time. And then a little bit of pinholing. Covered up the holes and looks pretty incredible. Awesome. Other refire, this little bitty one. Last time it stuck and all the glaze chipped off, so we just kind of refired blue on the bottom. It's a pretty cool little pot. Nice. Not bad at all. Actually a thing of beauty. This was a refire of the Aurora Green over red, and the refire was much better. Maybe I have to fire those twice if I want this combo to look this incredible. That's a beauty. Nice. Oh, that thing's beautiful. Wait till you see it in the sun. Oh, here's a little round pot that me and Wyatt made as a team. I think I just used green tea on this one. Turned out pretty awesome. Yeah. With that speckled clay. Pretty neat. The cool looking clay. Green tea came out pretty sweet. I like that. Where can I put that? Right there, maybe. Tiny pot. Oh, shoot. I think I just used clear crackle on this one. I totally did. I don't see any crackles. Might have to rub ink on it. It might need to be fired again. I don't know. Either way, it looks pretty awesome. It's a cool little pot. I don't really see any crackles. That matte crackle. We'll figure it out. There's a wild pot. Wow. That is, I believe, Celadon Sky, Cobalt Wash, and Frosted Lemon. It turned out pretty cool. Yep. I like it. It's wild, but I like it. And last but not least is that big boy. Let's make a spot to put it and get it out. Oh, I really like that one. Man. It turned out really good. Wyatt did a good job. Alright, this big boy I've been waiting for. How'd you turn out? Oh, it is sick. I think this is root beer with frosted lemon over it. And oh my God, is it beautiful. Some pinholing, which I don't like. But it is what it is, I guess. I don't really know what I'm doing. It's only my second glaze firing. I'll have to figure out how to avoid getting pinholes. Probably the way I apply the glaze. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. It's awesome. We'll get these out in the sunlight and take some pictures. Show you.